Hi, today we'll show you how to use Hanzii Dictionary to Hanzii Dictionary to assist me in ordering food in China. So when I went to China and I read the menu and I don't understand, then I will use Hanzii Dictionary to translate the menu. And you click on translate and you see the camera one, click on that. See, this one is the sample menu that I took from a restaurant in China, and I will click on taking the photos here, and oh no, just it's blur, so I will retake. Yeah, and then click on scan. It will scan words by words, and then I will read. Oh, even the smallest one. This one, 推荐, which is recommended. 推荐. Then I will try to remember the word. So next time when I see 推荐, I will know this one is recommended. And the word is 西兰拿铁, Ceylon latte. 20元一杯20元. And the next one, 憨酱冰粉. When I don't know, I still don't understand what it is, then I click here. You see, here, there's an arrow here. Click on that. And I can see the photos. And I click on the photos. And then I see all the example of the 憨酱冰粉. Okay. Still don't know what it is. And the next one, 素颜拿铁. Oh no, I don't know what it is. Then I check on the photos again. Looks weird. 素颜拿铁 latte 素颜. And then the next one, 芋泥桶. Oh, this one is 芋泥桶. And 哈啤 beer. 哈啤 百威 is Budweiser. 百威金樽 Budweiser golden bottle. And then 蓝莓 640 蓝莓. It's also beer. 蓝莓 Luger beer. Wow, that's expensive. What is the unit? Ping. The unit says here is ping. 芋泥小火锅. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, this would looks weird as well. Okay, that's it. Ah, I feel sleepy already. Although I want to read all. 怡宝平水碧玻璃玻璃瓶可乐玻玻璃瓶玻璃瓶哦椰奶 coconut cream 罐天地1号天地1号罐 oh 罐 is can and then 瓶 is bottle and 玻璃瓶 maybe bottle again 王老吉 oh 王老吉 this one is famous for in Guangzhou right 王老吉罐百年糊涂 century of confusion what's title drink oh oh it's why oh yeah it's why 百年糊涂 is why okay thank you for watching I feel sleepy already bye